So today it's time to put a roll cage in the car. And what I did earlier, it's good when you've got mates who know how to do things. I dropped my car off earlier with Brett, and Brett's already done heaps of stuff without me being here. Done heaps of stuff. Done a big hoop with a harness bar and a brace. He's going to put some rear legs in it later on, and that's awesome. Bendy jig. Yeah, that looks awesome. So good. Now I can quite comfortably and safely barrel roll it into oblivion, and I know I'm perfectly fine. It's a bit late at night now, but Brett's finished the roll cage in my car, and I really like it. It's just a half cage for now, a welded one, so it should keep me safe if I decide to flip it on its lid at all. Yeah, I'm really impressed with it. Looks awesome. It's really good. I would have loved to get more build videos on the way, but Brett managed to knock it all up in one day while I was out. So he's actually sent me some videos of a bit of a time lapse of making it. So I'll put them together with it. But no, I'm really impressed with it. Looks awesome. Thanks, Brett from Black Spade Fab. You do a bloody awesome job. Cheers.